अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टेम्प इंटरनेशनल पब्लिशर्स। दिस इज तैयबा शकील। प्यारे बच्चों, पिछले वीडियो में हमने चैप्टर नंबर 3 लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ एनिमल्स के बारे में डिटेल में पढ़ा। हमने उस चैप्टर में बटरफ्लाई के, फ्रॉग के और हैन के लाइफ साइकिल को बहुत डिटेल में समझा। अब उस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज हम लोग सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। तो प्यारे बच्चों, अपनी किताबें खोलो, हम चलते हैं एक्सरसाइज की तरफ। एक्सरसाइज, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। What is the young one of a hen called? Option A, caterpillar. Option B, tadpole. Option C, chick. Option D, froglet. And the right option is C, chick. Second, what does a caterpillar turn into before becoming a butterfly? Option A, egg. Option B, pupa. Option C, froglet. Option D, tadpole. And the right option is B, pupa. What is the first stage of the life cycle of a frog? Option A, froglet. Option B, egg. Option C, tadpole. Option D, adult frog. And the right option is B, egg. Fourth, where does a female butterfly lay its eggs? Option A, on plants' leaves. Option B, on trees' branches. Option C, on water surface. Option D, on the ground. And the right option is A, on plants' leaves. Fifth, what is the young one of a butterfly called? Option A, tadpole. Option B, cup. Option C, chick. Option D, caterpillar. And the right option is D, caterpillar. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, most leaves are green because they contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Second, the young one of an animal is called an offspring. Third, a frog lays eggs in water covered in a jelly-like substance. Fourth, a caterpillar eats a lot of leaves to grow. Fifth, the froglet stage in a frog's life begins after the tadpole starts to grow its legs. Tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. First, a butterfly's life cycle has 4 stages. Tick. Second, a froglet can breathe through its lungs and skin. Tick. Third, a hen's eggs are soft and cannot protect the chick inside. Cross. Fourth, a butterfly larva is called a caterpillar. Tick. Fifth, tadpoles can live both on land and in water. Cross. Write short answers to the following questions. What is reproduction? And the answer is, adult animals give birth to their young ones or lay eggs. This process is called reproduction. Second, name the stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. And the answer is eggs, caterpillar, pupa, adult butterfly. Third, how does a tadpole changes as it grows into a frog? And the answer is, as the tadpole grows, its legs start to appear and its tail becomes shorter. It begins to look like a small frog. Why are life cycles important for animals? And the answer is, a life cycle shows all the stages that an animal goes through during its life. Write long answers to the following questions. First, describe the life cycles of a butterfly including all 4 stages. And the answer is stages of the life cycle of butterfly. A female butterfly lays eggs on a plant. These eggs are very small and stick to the leaves of the plant. Stage number 2, larva caterpillar. The egg hatches and a tiny larva comes out. This larva is called a caterpillar. The caterpillar eats a lot of leaves and grows bigger. It sheds its skin several times as it grows. Stage number 3, pupa chrysalis. When the caterpillar is fully grown, it becomes a pupa. This stage is also called a chrysalis. The pupa is covered in a case called cocoon. Inside the cocoon, the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. Stage number 4, adult butterfly. The adult butterfly comes out of the cocoon. It has colorful wings and can now fly. Second, explain the life cycle of a frog and how it changes from a tadpole to an adult frog. And the answer is life cycle of frog. Stage number 1, egg. A female frog lays eggs in water. These eggs are covered in a jelly-like substance to keep them safe. The egg stays in water until they hatch. Stage number 2, tadpole. When the egg hatches, a small baby frog called a tadpole comes out. Tadpoles live in water. They have tails and breathe through gills and fish. Stage number 3, froglet. As the tadpole grows, its legs start to appear and its tail becomes shorter. It begins to look like a small frog. A froglet can breathe through its lungs and skin. Stage number 4, adult frog. The froglet grows into an adult frog. Adult frogs can live on land and in water. They will lay eggs and the life cycle will start again. तो प्यारे बच्चों, आज की वीडियो में हमने चैप्टर नंबर 3 लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ एनिमल्स की एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व की। आपने इस एक्सरसाइज को बार बार रिपीट करना है, इसकी बार बार प्रैक्टिस करनी है ताकि इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट आपको अच्छे से याद रहे। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में एक नए चैप्टर के साथ। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज।